At Toto, flushing technology is a serious science. Quality assurance is foremost. Toto's series of performance tests are the most rigorous in the plumbing industry. Toto tests and retests, using more than 10 evaluations in fact, to validate flushing technologies. To ensure reliable performance, Toto's stringent testing standards imitate real-life scenarios. Toto conducts many liquid tests, including one with 500 milliliters of dyed liquid, 150 milliliters more than in common bathroom breaks. Toto understands that accurate testing must recreate normal conditions. This means a fully restored water level in the bowl, plus the waste you add. In test after test, Toto's Ultramax 2 with double cyclone technology removes all liquid waste every time, using only 1.28 gallons per flush. That's high efficiency plus performance. Yet a balanced high-efficiency toilet must clean the bowl and rim as well as flush media. A toilet paper test ensures complete bowl cleansing and paper removal, while the ink line test proves that the flush consistently and completely removes rim debris. Toto's high-efficiency toilets perform the best because we have the best testing practices. Toto is proud of our high-efficiency, high-performance 1.28 gallon per flush toilets and water conservation. And as consumers, you should accept no substitutes.